First of all, I want to say thank you to all of you, particularly the main organizers of this event. And I want to take this opportunity to pay tribute to Daniel Fils-Aimé. I remember when he was doing that, he stopped in Washington as well. And at that time, I was ambassador at the OAS, and we had a discussion on this, and it was very enlightening and refreshing to see someone who wanted to leave something behind as a legacy for the kids, or for our kids today. I do hope a lot of Haitians American, they will take opportunity, or they will consider this piece, this monument, as a kind of Mecca. This is a place any Haitian American has to come to visit, because this is part of our history and our contribution to this great nation here in the United States of America. And when I look at this monument, I have two things that came to my mind. The first one, I saw that monument that reminds us of a group of black men from a colony that was going to be Haiti, and they came here to fight alongside the federal troops fighting against the British colonialists. But one thing that comes into my mind, je vois que nous pas seulement venus les montrer nous en bas pont, mais nous sommes venus déjà. Nous sommes venus là déjà, nous sommes venus aider à faire pays ça. Nous sommes venus aider à l'indépendance. We came here before, and we came here from September 16 to October 18, 1779 to fight alongside the Federal American troops. So we did not come only when we came at the border of Texas and Mexico under the bridge. We came before, meaning that those, our brothers and sisters, they should not have been treated that way. Because if there was a sense of history, we should have known that our brothers and sisters should have been treated better.
That's right.
And all migrants should be treated with dignity and respect.
Yeah.
As an ambassador, I'm not against a country that applying its laws, but applying the laws at the same time there is a moral obligation to respect the dignity of any human being. Bottom line. So the second thing that came into my mind when I look at this monument, I saw that little boy with the drummer. With the drum, who was the drummer of that battalion. And that little boy became the first king of the new nation of Haiti, Henry, the King Henry. Henry Christophe, que nous appelons le roi bâtisseur, Henri Christophe qui bâtit ça nous gagne comme citadelle aujourd'hui là, qui montrait qui ça nous-mêmes haïtiens nous avons fait. But the message of I got from this, il montrait que ou ka tambourine ou ka battre tambour en bataille aujourd'hui, demain on ka noir.
Yes.
So that could be the message from those kids I saw under the bridge, on the images at the border of Texas and Mexico. Today you are kids, you arrive in this country. If you are given the chance to stay, ou ka devini comme un petit immigrant bas pont, mais demain ou ka vin sénateur, ou ka vin député, ou ka vin n'importe bagarre dans le pays ça. That's why I admire this monument. So Monsieur le ministre de la Culture et de la Communication, Madame l'ancienne ministre, Colonel Moïse, Madame la présidente de l'organisation, mes chers amis, c'est vraiment un plaisir pour moi pour me représenter l'ambassade là, et parce que le ministre là, lui-même, il représentait le gouvernement. Je pensais qu'il était important pour nous marquer 14e anniversaire ça. Il était important pour nous faire partie de cérémonie ça, parce que il est toujours entré dans un cadre côté diaspora. Chaque fois il a fait une activité à part une activité seulement de diaspora, mais son activité haïtienne. Et nous-mêmes nous toujours dit diaspora pas petit de yo. Diaspora c'est haïtien, même genre tout haïtien qui est dans la caille. Et nous croyons que chaque fois la fait une activité, une bagaille pour qui relever image pays nous, ambassade là pour le camper et pour les accompagner nous et pour les toujours encourager nous vendre ça nous gain de positif de pays nous Haïti. Parce que trop longtemps c'est toujours de négatif là-bas nous, mais il faut toujours oublier que si nous avons un apport, si nous avons une contribution, nous avons porté la façonner monde libre ça aujourd'hui. Parce que nous avons tracé exemple, nous avons bas exemple, c'est ça qui fait l'important aujourd'hui pour nous toujours dire tout haïtien, que on dans que dehors, il est important pour nous mettre tête nous ensemble, parce que c'est la mettre tête ensemble nous avons fait gros exploit ça qui te créé nation ça que nous fiers de lui. Même les aujourd'hui à genoux, il y a des difficultés, mais il était pays non. C'est nous pour prendre responsabilité nous en main pour qu'il nous refait pays ça. Parce que tout le temps nous là haïtiens, Haïti pas qu'à mourir. Il faut un engagement ça pour nous mettre nous ensemble, même là nous avons toujours une différence parce que nous pas jamais qu'à une même opinion tout le temps. Nous avons toujours une différence. Mais ça qui est important c'est pour nous apprendre vivre là désaccord ça et pas dans nous gain désaccord sur un point n'a pas avancé ensemble sur l'autre côté nous gain accord. C'est ça qui est un pays. Et c'est ça tout n'a invité tout haïtien quelle que soit la tendance pour nous mettre tête ensemble diaspora haïtienne dans la caille, nous sommes seuls, nous devons avancer et nous devons travailler pour nous refaire pays. But today, I really want to recognize those who have made this effort, particularly Daniel Fizeme, who is no longer with us. But this great monument is something that has to be the symbol of not only our contribution to the founding of this great nation, but also a symbol of the Black lives, what Black lives can do. And not only today we're talking about Black Lives Matter, but I always want to take those opportunities to always remind people we were the first ones who said Black Lives Matter. Because the slaves, those who didn't want to live under the yoke of the colonizers and slavery, and they decided we have to break that chain and we have to let them know that our lives as Black people, our lives matters. So that's why we will always encourage every organization that are fighting to promote the respect of human lives, or particularly the Black lives. Because we are people, we are the same, we will always stand against everyone. We would want to make us believe that we are inferior. We are not. We are also human beings. We do have a different color of skin. but we are the same. Because this group of black guys, 800 and plus of them who came here to fight, but when they were fighting alongside those American troops, I don't think they took time to look at the color of their skin. And I know when some of them died, when their blood was shed, I saw it was the same color with the blood of those Americans who were killed as well. So this is to say that this monument has its values, and we need to promote those values. We need to promote the importance of having this monument here, and every one of us has to be an ambassador of this monument to encourage any Haitian American kids and students to stop by here and to look at it, and so they can know that we gave our part in the building and the founding of this nation. May it never be forgotten. It has to be a part of this history, but if sometimes it wants to be forgotten, but we need to stand and say, no, this is what we did. Do not see us only as a poor country or as a people who are coming here to seek for opportunity. We did something as well. We came here before. We did help you as well. Therefore, now it's time for you to return the ascensor, the elevator to us. And to me, it's a great honor to be here. I'm really pleased and I'm really honored and privileged to attend this ceremony. For so long, I wanted to visit that monument, and today I've been given this opportunity, and I know I need to say thank you to you all, to the organizers, and everything you have done, and I wish you all the best, and I want you to live with this. Everyone here, every one of us, Haitian American, Haitians, be an ambassador of this monument.
Yes. Yes, indeed.
Talk about this monument. Invite Haitian American students, the youth, to come here so they can have this in their own mind, and then they won't accept whenever someone wants to make them believe they are inferior or they are Haitians, they don't have anything to do with this country. Of course, we do have something to do with this country. This is our contribution.
Yes.
It has to be known. So, therefore, I will invite you to invite others to come here and be this ambassador of this monument, so they will come and visit. And thank you so very much for inviting me. It's a pleasure to be here. And nous dit merci à tout le monde qui est invité, organisateur, Madame Gentil et tout l'autre monde qui était là. Nous dit merci. Et comme on dit tout à l'heure, ambassadeur toujours là, à chaque fois, diaspora voulait faire un bagage pour qu'il leve image positive pays nous, n'a pas avec nous pour nous supporter. Merci encore. Chaque monde qui a changé que vous êtes un ambassadeur monument ça pour parler avec jeunes haïtiens américains pour qu'ils connaissent une histoire, une page dans l'histoire des États-Unis, mais pas ça là comme symbole. Merci un pile.